everybody, this is Angel and Amelia. Baby's bouncing in her new Rainforest Jumperoo. Ooh, bounce, baby. Baby. Amelia. Ooh. Oh, elephant. Ooh, there's an elephant. Wow, baby, there's an elephant. Good job. A monkey. Parrot. Wow. Oh, an elephant, baby. Oh, it's got a frog here. Is it a frog or a chameleon? There's a parrot. Wow, elephant. Wow, Mr. Sun. A tiger. A froggy. A bee. Yeah, very good, baby. Bounce. Woo, woo, woo. There's not much sound actually. It will be nice if we'll have a louder sound, I think. Ooh, but the purpose is for bouncing. There's a little bee. My lovely. Oh, Amelia's having fun. It's her second day with this Jumperoo. But I follow my baby timetable for her so she won't be over tired of a lot of physical activities and movement, so I make sure that there's time for her play like this, bouncing, and she has another play gym which she will probably play after her snack time. This is before her snack. Her snack for today is pumpkin and spinach. So yay!